Sonoto, the district chairman LC5. Today yet I give you a brief, but I want to start by thanking the President of the Republic of Uganda and the Prime Minister of this country for once again remembering about the hygiene of our country. And as the chairman 5 of Agago district local government, I must welcome this directive with all the warmth it deserves. I want to thank you that government has come up with a directive that every last Saturday of the month, there should be general cleanness to ensure all our public places are clean and all shared spaces are clean. This can be trenches, it can be in our marketplaces, it can be near our shops to help us eliminate a lot of conditions that bring sickness like malaria that are brought by mosquitoes. There are a lot of challenges that we get due to waterlogs, due to dirty environments. And I must thank the government for thinking this now will take us to a comparative example like Rwanda. When you reach in Rwanda and see their streets, you are amazed. As a Gago district, I am happy and I want to tell my people that every last Saturday of the month, let us observe this directive that from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., adhere to general cleanliness of your area. Focus on the road trenches, focus on your market area, focus on your schools, focus on your site markets, and all breeding sites that you can probably see. On that day, it is restricted that there will be restricted movement of some vehicles, except restricted vehicles like ambulances, and all police, all the army will support government in implementing this. I want to take this positively and urge my people of Agago district local government to take it for action. And starting tomorrow, there will be this exercise already ongoing that from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., everyone in this country should now focus on the cleanliness of their area. To me, it is a good thing and it will help us eliminate more of the common diseases that we are having. So I tell my people, let's do it. And tomorrow I'll say that I attend one, which will be happening in my district, and that is in Kalongo Town Council, to motivate our people and see that this exercise commences. Having said that, I want to thank you